Throttle warning.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'd like to welcome you guys back to my RC Chop Shop. Today I want to give you guys a glimpse into the Babyhawk's nest. First, I received this version of the Babyhawk, and this is the version that was sent out to all the reviewers, and it's the 2-inch version. And I'm not sure, but I don't think that you can get them retail with the white canopy like this, or transparent canopy and the props and all. But this was the one I received first, and I got that directly from EMAX. And then I got this one as well directly from EMAX, and this is the 3-inch version of the Babyhawk. And so really awesome flyer there. I have this one currently on FR Sky. This one is FR Sky as well. I think all of them come FR Sky. You can't get them any other way, but you can add DSM or Fly Sky onto them. And I do have a retail version of the Babyhawk that was sent in from GearBest, and I had a small mishap with that one. You guys know that it's a very challenging area that I fly in. My flying space is very harsh. Out here in the concrete jungle, it's very common to fly into things. We have all types of obstacles in the way, telephone poles and light poles and gates and all of that stuff. I ended up breaking one of the arms, and so it looked really bad. And that was the version that I had ordered, the 2.5-inch extended arms for it. And now the extended arms come in one piece. Well, they come in two pieces rather. When I first ordered mine, they came in separate arm pieces, and I really like the 2.5-inch version. It was my favorite version. Not that it's better than the 3-inch version or anything like that, but it's just that it was the only version that I installed DSMX. And you guys know I'm a DSMX guy. I like to fly with my Devo 10. I have a 4-in-1 module in my Devo 8S back there, but I have a 3-in-1 module in my Devo 10, and currently the FR Sky isn't working, and so I can't fly it with my Devo 10. And so I decided to order a new pack of 2.5-inch arms, and that was what I just showed you guys. But before I installed it, I realized that the props, the 2.5-inch props, actually fit on the Babyhawk with its normal arms there in the rear. And so I decided, why not make a Freq Babyhawk, and which is exactly what I did. Currently I have the EMAX Babyhawk props, 2345s I think they are, and I decided to go with these just to keep it all EMAX, and this thing flies really nice. And so I'll show you guys how this thing flies. The Freq Babyhawk. It has shorter arms in the rear than it does in the front, and it still flies really nice though. Still great punch with this on 2S and 3S. 3S is a little better than 2S, of course. I haven't tried this on 4S yet. We're going to install the 2.5-inch arms on this one here, and so they'll all be flying with over 2-inch props. The 2-inch props aren't bad, but this just a world of a difference. When you go up above 2-inch props, it's just a big jump in performance and all, and efficiency. These props right here are very efficient, really nice props. And so I don't think I'm going to create another Freq Babyhawk. I think I'm going to go all the way with 2.5-inch arms on each, the front and the rear on this one. So I'll have 3 different versions of the Babyhawk. Alright y'all, so we about to test out the Freq Babyhawk, and we're using a Nanotech 450 milliamp hour 3S battery. Okay, so let's fire it up. See a punch out. Super awesome punch out. battery's trying to tap out. I guess I was going too much with it. Let's try some FPV with it. And it's tapping out. The Freq Babyhawk. Thanks for watching.